Hi everyone, I'm Babalola Mudupe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, we'll be talking about snacks, food, events, travels, and lots more. And I hope you will enjoy me on this YouTube channel. This morning, I want to talk about simple snacks we can make. The ingredients here before me, we are making buns. That's yummy buns. Now that the school have resumed, we'll be wondering, is it only biscuit that I'm going to give my kids? Or is it only biscuit? Now the children are even tired of biscuits. But with these simple snacks, you will see the smile on their face. Very simple. At least with just 5 ingredients, you will achieve it. Now, join me as I prepare it. Before I proceed, we have these simple tools that we can use. We have a scale, we have a measuring spoon, then we have a measuring cup here in front of me, and we have a cup of water. Yeah, and the ingredients that we'll be using for these snacks, we have flour. Yeah, that this is 250 gram of flour. Then I have my milk here. I use a sachet of milk. So I have my salt, I have my baking powder, and I have my sugar. Now to start with, my hands are clean. So I've washed my hands. Let's start. This is the flour. I'll mix it together. After mixing it together, I'll add my sugar. Go in first. That's for 250 gram. I have 31 ml of sugar. Then for my baking powder, I have my 1 over 2 TXP. That's half TXP, just a full cup, a leveled one, just a leveled one. You pour inside. Then I have a salt, just a pinch of salt, and I have a whole sachet of milk goes inside. That's all. That's all. Then you mix it together. After mixing it together, you mix it together. And before I proceed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just encourage me for me to do more. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to write in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. All right, after mixing together, you have to be very careful with the water. So you pour in steadily. After pouring it, you mix. After pouring again, you mix. And what we want to get from this is just the thickness. Because buns not too thick and not too soft. So you mix. Can you see the way I'm mixing together? Can you see the way I'm mixing it together? Yeah, this is what you get. This is what you get. And don't worry, because I know you'll be wondering that, hey, how is it going to come out? Or how am I going to portion it inside the oil? But don't worry, I got you covered. After mixing it together, just get a bowl of water and you dip your hands in the bowl of water. After dipping your hands in the bowl of water, then you start portioning. Can you see? In the hot oil. Trust me, it's going to come out. It's going to come out. In the pot of oil, so I'm going to portion it out little by little. Just portion it out little by little. Can you see? This is the way I'm portioning it. And yeah, I remembered something. If you don't want to use water, you can also use flour. Just get a flour and put in a bowl. Just a little flour, then put in a bowl. But the reason why I don't use flour, well, you can also use flour, then you can also use water. Either or any of the two, you can use any of the two. So can you see? Just for so this is how I'm doing it. You need to like, comments, and subscribe. And please don't forget to encourage me to do more. So this is how I'm portioning it. So with this 250, in the next 10 to 15 minutes in the kitchen, you're through. You're through with what you're doing. So and for those of you that like that you're thinking that, oh, what value and what are the benefits of this? But don't forget it has a lot of milk inside, and that's a good protein. So okay, that's very easy. Very, very easy. So can you see? Can you see the way I'm portioning it in a small portion? So the next thing is just keep turning till you get a golden brown. The more to do more. Yeah. So I hope you're enjoying my snacks.